We're doing it on Omega. I want my rematch. Here we go. We're ready. You're going first.
Oh man, this hand kind of sucks.
This hand does not. Come on. Zodiac Third Blade, normal summon, activate effect.
Discard, draw one.
Yeah, come on. Not bad, not
We are
bad.
gonna go ahead and draw one Lockbird.
You Saku. What does this guy do again? Wait, what's the point of doing that? What's the point of it? What about what's this guy doing? I would have 2, and then from 2 I could do that. From that I could do that. Huh, let's give this a try. Let's go like this. Ah, shh. Okay. Let's go like this. I should probably do this. No, if I do that, I won't have that. I won't have do that. And go into
Baron Blossom. Right.
How many? Okay, we'll have plenty more. Could go, but I'm just gonna go like this. Rugal. I didn't get a Parajeet's effect because of Droll.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do. We're gonna attempt Sting of Poison.
Sting of Poison.
And a Battle Wasp. Imperm. Unfortunately, I kind of have a bad hand, and I think I can't play through
that. Hold on here. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Wait. Oh fuck! Now I can't do Rugal's effect because it's. I should have did it on fucking main phase. God damn it. Yeah, I should have did it on main phase. I could have had Fractal in my hand. God damn it. Put him over here. Chainlink 1, and really what's the point of doing this? Just shuffles the deck. Draw and bug back, okay. Get that out of here. Battle. Rugal,
Alright.
direct.
I'm not gonna be dead, so we'll see if we can come back.
Chireg. Let me attack. There we go, direct attack.
At 27.
Your move.
Okay. Really, he's banished, huh? I think I'm actually gonna set pass and try not to die.
Are you gonna attempt your end phase?
Yep.
Okay. Rugal. Ooh. Good. Thorough. Chireg. Get that out of here.
One
Get
banished.
that out of here.
Oh, okay. Then on that, I am just gonna have to surrender because he's
What?
banished and I can't do anything. I had a really bad hand. I had 2 resonance insects, another normal summon, and 2 draw and lock birds.
Flawless victory. Perfect.
Right. I think that's what we're gonna do.
I'm done.
Alright, I'm gonna go first. Oh, this hand sucks. Alright.
So what? Future only express summon this card. So what happened if I effect Taylor that one? Does that one get?
It only negates that one. It doesn't negate like all with that same card's name. It just negates the one that you target.
I guess I won't be using my imperm.
Thinking. Cause I can make that, but then why? There would be no purpose in making it. It would just be attack.
Alright. Oh my god.
This is a bad hand.
Do I do that back row? Is the question. I think I should. Since I control no face-up cards. Lightning Stone. Back row. Back row?
Yeah.
Get that out of here. Oh, it's Royal Decree. Royal Decree and Imperial Order. Yeah, okay, come on. Out of the cards. Guide me. Hey. Check out the banished. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Activate. Send. Special. And attack. Kits effect.
Sure.
that Nerval? Nerval's effect? Add fractal. Hey, yeah, I could actually do that. What's the point? How much do I got there? Two for another. Activate effect. Vanish. Vanish those two. Ah, yes.
We'll Valor that.
God damn it. Normal summon. Alright, go over here. Really? I think I would have to. I don't know. Yeah. Battle. Terrace. Attack Link Rebo.
Yeah.
Okay. 0 attack. Alright. No. Attack.
Just because I can. Not that it makes a difference.
Rebo.
Link Rebo.
Alright. Continue attack. Oh, you take damage though.
Oh wait, I thought that wasn't once per turn.
Yes!
No, oh man, I just gave you 3 points of damage for no reason. I thought the
What the hell is this?
no, it doesn't. It says it's not once per turn.
You could only use this effect once per turn.
Yeah, that's the tribute and special summon.
Quick effect.
It says, yeah, it says this
I think
effect,
it's
which
all
means
in one.
No, those are two separate effects. There's a period there, and then it says if this card is in your graveyard, and then it says this effect, so it's only referring to the graveyard effect, so it isn't a once per turn.
Yeah, it should have said you could only use each effect once per turn.
Right.
Yeah, the wording kind of messed you up there. You know what? Let's check the banished again. Fuck it. Oh, it would have to. Oh, I would have to tribute himself. I'd have to send himself to the. Fuck that. Gonna have to. Gonna have to. Gonna have to. Donando.
Unfortunate. I'm gonna shuffle this back and this back.
What?
We're shuffling them back.
Okay.
Summon Sting Lancer. Sting Lancer is gonna activate to search a spell or trap.
Back Baylor.
Battle phase.
Okay. Revolt. So you're in damage step right now, right? Oh wait, no. What's the point of
Start
doing
of the
that?
battle.
Oh,
Monsters are gonna
shit.
change. It's gonna redeclare.
Oh shit! I screwed up. I don't have. Oh, I should have activated it. That was dumb. dump and add. Add. Sure. Dump. Sure.
Do I get to redeclare attack? No, I just... Actually, yeah, I do. Okay, cool.
So what is this, a damage step now?
Now it is.
Now it is?
Okay.
Droplet.
Oh, okay. It cuts its attack in half too.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. In phase 2. Summon Dozer. Yeah, my aim was pretty bad. 2 pin the bullseye.
Yeah, Rugal.
Decree. Valor and Dozer.
Special.
So this isn't very since this one's the rematch, but we can't leave it like this. Not with me winning the first one and then you winning.
Yeah, if I win this one, we gotta go again. God damn it. Same deck. Still your move.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I get him back.
I thought you were in the middle of cleaving things.
Oh god. How many? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. Tri-Brigade Revolt. Summon the 4. Oh wait, no, Fractal's not there. Immediately link summon for a Tri-Brigade monster, and that. Oh, I have space. Sure. Activate its effect. And dump and add. Yeah. Dump, add what? Add another. Yeah, Fractal. Dumping. Add Fractal. Get that out of here. And I will. Let's do wins. Thank you, Wh1te0ut, for the rematch.
Gotta go one more.
Comment, share, like, if subbed, self-selected. See you guys.